Alright, today we're gonna go hit a car meetup, see what's happening there. Hope you guys enjoyed last videos, or last uploads. I uploaded a bike update. And then probably next video I'll upload the Helltac. I'll do a review on the Helltac quick shifter. But for now, we're gonna enjoy this car meet. Met up with a couple of friends, and then we're gonna go see what's happening there. I'll pick it up once we get there. I also have the 360 cam behind me, so I'll post some clips like when arriving there. So I'll pick up the video when we're there. Alright guys, we have arrived. And I believe there's a cop already waiting here. So that's fun. That's always fun. There's a good amount of bikes here too. There's not much cars here. There's a good amount of bikes though. Oh damn. That's an Aston Martin. That's pretty cool. Let's go check it out. That's pretty sick. Alright guys, let me go park up. There's not much here. There's a Supra. That Aston Martin was sick. It was back there. We'll go check it out later.
You know the doors open at a tilt?
Yeah.
These ones?
Yeah.
It's like a slight tilt.
Price drop hella low. It was like 180 to like 120. I saw one on Target.
I like the blue one, it looks nice. Don't the headlights look like a Miata headlight? The headlights. Huh?
They look like the new Tesla headlights.
I don't know. To me they look more like the Miata.
Like what?
Miata headlights.
Yeah, you're right. That's true. They do look like Miata headlights too. Those guys' Audi's fucking fast. We're close to like beating crazy cars.
Yeah, it's fast.
Well, what we could do?
Alright guys, there's barely anyone at the car meet. I'm gonna end it here. If you guys liked it, subscribe to do so. Hopefully next week there's more people there. See you guys later.